And we're live. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Fresh out today, this is called SnapPrint, and it is an interesting combination of artificial intelligence, that helps, and the prompts there, and the print-on-demand templates that go with creating all these different things. So you can see here in the video, you can see a coffee cup, you can see what looks to be a cell phone cover, and t-shirts, and that gives you an idea of the kind of things that we're talking about. And first off, I'll tell you, this is $14.95. There's some upgrade offers for coloring books and more prompts and things like that. But the basic setup of this, which is everything you need to use, $14.95. Let's take a quick look inside. No, that's not where. Well, I'll just quickly tell you. So for $14.95, you get 625 plus print-on-demand ready prompt sets, 25 niche breakdowns, slogan packs, image prompts, Canva templates, titles and tags, and more. That's the whole package. Let's see if I can show you in here. Give you an idea. Sorry, I'm going to quickly scroll up. Here we go. No paid tools needed. Launch stunning print-on-demand designs instantly with free AI tools. No upfront costs. The high-demand design prompts, the niches, ready to sell in under 60 seconds. I don't know. Do you need much more? It's $14.95. I'm going to cut it short. The link is in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. There's a good description of the product there. Then there's all the upgrade offers. You can get prompts, another 1,125 prompts for $24.95 and 45 plus niche breakdowns. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So some coloring books and some prompts. So you've got lots of different things to create print-on-demand opportunities. So it's kind of short. Click the link in the video description and go check out SnapPrint, fresh out today, all about print on demand using artificial intelligence. What more could you ask for? Check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. This is called SnapPrint. Click the link and go check it out.